I'm going to show you how to fix calculator in Windows 10. Go to Start and click on Settings. On this window, click on Apps. In the Apps and Features, search for Calculator. Click on it, then select Advanced Options. Now click on Reset. To reset the calculator, click here. It will take some time. Now close the window. Go to search bar and type Windows PowerShell. In the search result, right click here and run as administrator. Type this command, otherwise you will get this command in the description. Copy it, then right click here, go to edit and click on paste and then hit enter. Wait for some time. Once process is complete, close all windows and restart your system. Your problem will be solved. You are good to go.